You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, Polly here, and maybe I'm going a little bit too pizza crazy here, but that's what I do. In this one, I'm going to make my version. Well, actually, this is the original. For the record, this is the original, the Flint style pizza. Now let me tell you a little bit about the Flint style pizza. Flint, it's the little brother of Detroit. Detroit, I love Detroit. I grew up near Detroit. But yeah, Flint, it's kind of like the little brother, you know, the Detroit Coney hot dog. There's a Flint style Coney hot dog. Detroit is the Motor City. Flint likes to call itself the Vehicle City. I didn't even know that until I moved back to Michigan. The history of Flint, there are some great things about it. This is the home and where the Corvette was developed. At one time, it was second most wealthiest city per capita in the U.S. Yeah, there's a lot of great history here in the Flint area. So they don't have a Flint style pizza. So this developmental pizza that I'm making, again, original, it's going to kind of be like everything done here in Flint, kind of like copying Detroit. So it's going to be a Detroit style kind of, but no, it is not at all. It is the Flint style pizza. Now, let's just call this one 1.0, because there might be a 1.5 version, because there's some things, well, let's get into the video, you'll see. So I'm trying a Colby Monterey Jack cheese as a base. There you see it in the pan, really heavy on the sides and the corners. And we're gonna, for experimental reasons only, I'm gonna use this fully cooked bacon from Meyer. Sweet Italian sausage. Notice how I hold it. Yeah, we're cooking it. Pretty good. Bacon is applied, half pieces for 6 portions. And the black olives represent the potholes here in the roads. Sweet Italian sausage is laid down there. We got the sauce, and there's some American cheese. This is Flint. American cheese is a staple. Pepperoni topping it. And then we're gonna throw on some shaker cheese. Shaker cheese is a must. Hey, look at that. Pretty, huh? So we're gonna get this thing in the oven. Cook it for 8 minutes at 550 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a little twist I put in this Flint style to make it its own. I'm still keeping my notes, folks. Yeah, looking, I need to clean that oven, don't I? I know. Almost done here. Shut her down. Now let's get a listen to this pizza. Little lady's got the TV on in the background. Sorry about that. As always. Nice. That American cheese. Wow. Very pretty pizza, I'll tell you that. See if I can get it out of the pan without tearing it up or whatever. Any mishaps? No, this is going to be easy. The Flint style 1.0. Look at that, beautiful. Had a little cheese alange right there, little cheese alange, but otherwise it's beautiful. Nice. Yeah, let's give it a taste. I was starving. Getting that first bite. Look at that cheese dangling from the plate. Yeah, this is a gooey, chewy, Flint style pizza, loaded with meat, and the pothole black olives are amazing on there. Yeah, this pizza was very good, but with that Kobe Monterey Jack cheese, I'm gonna shed that off this recipe, and I'm just gonna go mozzarella. I mean, it's pizza, mozzarella, okay? But we will keep that American cheese on there because that is so Flint right there. And maybe lose one of those meat items because, again, this is Flint. You don't need that much meat, even though it is a meat and potato city. Stand by. I will have the final product out soon. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I'm Paul.